How many times have you been deep in work only to lose focus because your task manager is buried under so many windows? Or struggle to coordinate with your team because you've been using different project management approaches? Well, the core problem is that the current task management doesn't adapt to how we actually work. Solo worker need a simple, focused task management, while team needs collaborative, agile workflow. But most tools force everyone into the same rigid structure and non-prioritize maintaining focus during actual work session. That's why we built iWorkspace, the unified productivity platform that doesn't just manage your tasks but transform how you work. We've been combined comprehensive project management with focus-driven productivity in one seamless experience. Let me show you iWorkspace 3 innovation. First is the task management. First, intelligent task management that adapt to your workflow. When you create a personal project, the default is waterfall methodology, simple linear task progression, perfect for individual work. But when you're working with a team, it creates and automatically switches to agile methodology with Kanban board, sprint, and collaborative features. Next is the floating focus window. Here are game changer. The floating window, focus window when you enter focus mode. Your current tasks stay visible as a similar minimalist floating window on your screen. No matter what happened to other application, either you're using, VS Code, Bold, Cursor, your task float there. In a meeting, still there. Eliminates the number one productivity killer, losing the sight what you're supposed to be working on. Focus mode also includes distraction blocking and built-in Pomodoro timer that slows the window, which is make it revolutionary. Seamless time collaboration. For team collaboration happen in real time, create a team project, instantly access agile board, sprint planning, and live updates. Team members see changes instantly and can assign tasks to each other, track progress together, and the system automatically detect whether you're working solo or the team and adapt accordingly. Value proposition, other task manager are either too simple to, for teams or too complex for individual. While iWorkspace is the first platform that gently adopts waterfall for personal project, agile for team collaboration, but our floating focus window that completely unique, you are literally never losing sight your current task. So iWorkspace, what are you waiting for?